Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 9. Power of the Mastermind, the Driving Force. Welcome back to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Your guide to unlocking the secrets of wealth and success. Today, we're diving into Chapter 9, Power of the Mastermind, the Driving Force. This chapter is a game changer. It's about the incredible energy created when you team up with others who share your vision. If you're ready to amplify your success through collaboration, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's get started. So, what is a mastermind? Napoleon Hill defines it as a group of two or more people working together in perfect harmony toward a definite goal. It's not just a team, it's a powerhouse of shared knowledge, ideas, and motivation. Hill says no one achieves great success alone. Your mastermind group multiplies your strengths, fills in your gaps, and propels you forward. It's like a rocket booster for your dreams. In this chapter, Hill shows us how to build and leverage a mastermind to achieve our biggest goals. Let's start with a story from Hill's era. He points to Henry Ford, the auto industry titan. Ford wasn't an engineer or a scholar, but he built a billion-dollar empire. How? Through his mastermind group. Ford surrounded himself with brilliant minds, engineers, marketers, and managers, who brought specialized knowledge to the table. He met with them regularly, brainstorming ways to improve production and reach more customers. This group helped Ford create the assembly line, making cars affordable for millions. Ford's success proves that a mastermind turns individual effort into collective power. Now, let's look at a modern example. Think about the founding team of Airbnb: Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blecharczyk. In 2008, they were struggling entrepreneurs with a crazy idea: let strangers rent your spare room. Investors laughed, and money was tight. But their mastermind group, the three of them, changed everything. Chesky brought design skills, Gebbia had marketing flair, and Blecharczyk was a tech wizard. They met constantly, pooling ideas, solving problems, and pushing each other. Their collaboration turned Airbnb into a $100 billion company. The Airbnb story shows that a mastermind can take a wild idea and make it a global success. So, why is the mastermind so powerful? Hill explains that when minds unite, they create a third mind, a synergy that's greater than the sum of its parts. It's like mixing colors. Blue and yellow make green, something entirely new. In a mastermind, ideas spark, energy multiplies, and solutions emerge. Hill says this synergy comes from harmony. Everyone must share the same goal and respect each other. Without harmony, it's just a meeting. With it, it's a force that can move mountains. Let's see this in action. Consider Oprah Winfrey, a media icon worth $2.5 billion. Oprah didn't build her empire alone. Her mastermind group included producers, writers, and executives who shared her vision of inspiring and empowering audiences. They met regularly to plan shows, launch projects like Own, and expand her brand. Each member brought unique skills, storytelling, marketing, finance, that amplified Oprah's talent. Her mastermind group turned her from a talk show host into a global influencer. Oprah's story proves that the right team can elevate your success to new heights. So, how do you build your own mastermind group? Hill gives us a clear process. First, define your definite goal. The burning desire from Chapter 1. Let's say you want to launch a sustainable food brand by 2034, earning $500,000 a year. Write it down. By 2034, I will own a sustainable food brand generating $500,000 annually through organic products. This goal guides your group. Second, identify the skills you need. For a food brand, you might need expertise in product development, marketing, and distribution. Third, find people with those skills. Look for collaborators at industry events, on LinkedIn, or in online communities. Fourth, establish harmony. Hill stresses that your group must share your vision and values. Meet regularly, weekly or monthly, and create a safe space for ideas. Encourage honesty, respect, and enthusiasm. Fifth, take action. Use your group's ideas to refine your plan and move forward. For your food brand, your mastermind might suggest a new product line or a social media campaign. Test it, track results, and keep brainstorming. Hill says a mastermind thrives on momentum. Keep the energy flowing. Let's look at another example. Take the team behind Tesla, Elon Musk and his key executives. Musk's vision was bold: electric cars and sustainable energy for all. But he needed a mastermind to make it real. He recruited engineers like J.B. Straubel, who mastered battery tech, and executives like Zach Kirkhorn, who streamlined finances. They met constantly, debating designs, solving production issues, and pushing boundaries. Their harmony and shared goal turned Tesla into a $1 trillion company. Musk's mastermind shows that collaboration can achieve what one person can't. Hill also highlights the economic and psychic benefits of a mastermind. Economically, it saves time and money. You gain knowledge without years of study. Psychically, it boosts confidence and motivation. When you're stuck, your group lifts you up. Look at Taylor Swift. Her music career thrives because of her mastermind: songwriters, producers, and managers who share her creative vision. They help her craft hits, plan tours, and navigate challenges. Swift's $1 billion empire is a testament to the power of a supportive, synergistic team. Now, you might wonder, what if I don't know the right people? Hill says, start where you are. Your mastermind doesn't need to be famous or huge. Begin with 1 or 2 people, a friend, a colleague, even an online contact. If you're launching that food brand, connect with a local chef or a marketing student. Meet over coffee or Zoom, share your goal, and ask for ideas. As your network grows, add members who bring new skills. Hill says persistence, from Chapter 8, is key. Keep seeking until you find your tribe. Let's make this practical. Think of your biggest goal. Maybe it's starting a tech company, becoming a teacher, or writing a book. Write down your definite purpose. By 2035, I will be a tech entrepreneur earning $1 million through AI solutions. List the skills you need: coding, funding, marketing. Identify one person who can help, like a coder you met at a meetup. Reach out, share your vision, and propose a mastermind. Meet weekly. Brainstorm one idea, like a new app feature, and act on it. Your group will grow, and so will your success. Another key lesson: choose your mastermind carefully. Hill warns against negative or misaligned members. If someone doubts your goal or lacks commitment, they'll drag you down. Seek people with persistence, optimism, and expertise. Look at Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Their mastermind built Apple because they shared a vision: user-friendly computers, and complemented each other's skills. Their harmony created a $3 trillion legacy. Your group should inspire you, not hold you back. One final point: a mastermind requires leadership. Hill says you must guide your group with clarity and purpose. Set agendas, keep meetings focused, and ensure everyone contributes. Use autosuggestion from Chapter 3. I am a strong leader, and my mastermind will succeed. Visualize your group thriving, solving problems, and celebrating wins. Leadership grows with practice, so start small. Lead one meeting, then another. Your mastermind will become your greatest asset. That's Chapter 9 of Think and Grow Rich. You've learned that the power of the mastermind is the driving force behind success. Henry Ford, Airbnb, Oprah, they all leveraged collaboration to win. Now it's your turn. Define your goal, build your group, and harness their energy. Together, you're unstoppable. Who's one person you will invite to your mastermind? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If this audiobook sparked your drive, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch Chapter 10, where we'll explore the mystery of sex transmutation. You'll find the next chapter in the playlist linked below. Until then, keep collaborating, keep growing, and let's grow rich together.